Hi, welcome to Sashi Forex Guru. In this video, we'll learn about 6 tips for Forex trading beginners. As a beginner, you will so excited how to make money in Forex and you were ready to do all the homework in order to make money. But there is few things you have to know in order before you was entering the Forex market. First, you have to educate yourself. You cannot trade the market just jump in with the money you have. But knowledge without practice is useless. Practice without knowledge is dangerous. If you trade without knowledge, it too dangerous. If you know knowledge of the forex but you don't trade, it is useless because you not trade, you not make money. It's okay. But if you trade without knowledge and without experience, it's really dangerous. Another thing, in order to educate yourself, you can join forex forums. As example, Forex Factory and other forums in the Facebook, they all helping. Some gurus are so helping, they will give more knowledge for the people. Moreover, you also can learn from the other people which is already successful. They were sharing their trading knowledge in the Forex forum or other Forex groups in the Instagram or Facebook or other else. You will seek their advice. They will ready to help you because most helping people are basically silent. They're only waiting for right people to seek them. So if you learn or you want to learn from the forex, you must reach for the people who are very good, better than you. Moreover, before risking the real money, make sure you study the different currency pair and understand what makes their prices go up and down. This is also another education. You must give good example to identify based on your eye views. Your eye is the indicator and your brain is the processor. When you see the chart, you must analyze in various way. Then you know this is the right way to enter and exit the market. Uh, other than this is create a plan and stick to the plan. Basically, as I said before, you must have a written plan. The written plan basically is how much money you want to trade, which currency pair you trade, which currency pair is really giving you the consistent profit. In my case, I basically prefer Euro USD, GBP Japan, and other currency pairs which is in my favorite list. Some currency pair I don't basically trade because it's hard to identify the fluctuation of the forex market because sometimes this particular currency was impacted by the fundamental analysis, fundamental news compared to the other currency pair. So in order to avoid the losses, I was avoid trading in particular currency. If you are the most rational before placing trade and most irrational during your trade, you must create a plan, because when you lose the money, you are blame yourself and you ask why I'm losing money. The forex market was make you lose money because it is not the way forex is created. If you're wrong, it will punish. If you're right, it will reward you. This is the forex market is created for. Even you need always have a plan by opening a position. This is where you must write down or you can draw a diagram like this is a line chart. I want to trade in this particular price point and this is the place I want to take profit, and you can write it down what is the contingency plan in order to avoid if losses. And you also can get people's experience, people's opinion in order to double check your forex trading, forex your position. Creating a trading plan is a critical component of the successful trading. Trading plan is an organized approach. This system, you must write it down, will help give you an overlook in the forex trading. This is also can make you to calm and you're psychologically strong during your trading. What trading plan you are able to know, you are headed to right direction. If you have a right trading plan, you are in the right direction. You know your trading measurement, because if you write it, your trading plan, it will help you to measure your performance, and also you can eliminate the possible losses in your forex. The other one is the next is practice. Practice make perfect. Everything require practice. If you learn, you want to learn a jiu-jitsu and you want to today you join, for example, if you join a jiu-jitsu class today and you want to join tomorrow Commonwealth game, it's not happen. Basically, in order to win, go to the Commonwealth level game, you have to train more harder than immature people. So this is how forex do. You join today, you learn from the few classes, and you know some tricks in the forex market that teach by the guru, and you want to trade without doing practices. This is all make you to lose your money quickly. In real life, you may have a plan to drive from point A to point B, but you don't know how to drive the car that will get you there. This is why you need practice. The same applies to your holding trading plan. You should test drive the plan and you become a proficient in the executing the plan. It is important to learn how to use the features of trading a platform before you starting a trading on. Fortunately, trader can test out the platform and using the demo account, which means no real money at the risk. Demo account will teach you your practice or which is your strategy is right or not. So you have to do more practice in order to eliminate all your mistakes. Keep it slow and steady. This is another advice tips is you must keep slow and steady in trading, because it's not about making money quickly or not. If you want to trade in forex, you must know what is your target point, how long you want to reach the money, because if you have the money management list which we will provided in by us during our coaching program, this will help you to know your projection, how much money you will earn next 5 months. This will help you to give you a financial confidence. Another thing, all traders have lost money, but because of they have a positive edge and without knowing what is going to happen, because they have too greedy on making the money rather than they don't fail to understand what is the basic fundamental of the forex. Educating yourself and creating a trading plan is a good, but in real test it is sticking plan from the through hardcore and discipline. Trading plan is not effective, but is also followed by your things. The next one is know your limits. As a new trader, you have to know your limits. First of all, you have to enough money to trade, and also you must know why you're trading. Is it your trading strategy is right or not? You must test at least 2 months in order to make sure you don't do mistake when you're using the real money. Make sure you use the money you're putting the risk called risk capital. This money management can actually help you to minimize the losses. If you need that money to pay the money you're trading from the forex, you should think twice about the trading, because if you use the money which is not very important for your emergency fund, you shouldn't use that money. You can use 10% of the money in order to trade. If that particular money was giving you a good reward, a good return every month, then you can extend your investment. If you don't have money, then you need to know how much you're willing to risk each trade. Sticking with the leverage ratio will within those risk limits and never open the position size, so it could blow your account. If lot of traders fail because they don't understand the trading with the margin, ignore the effect of leverage. This should be you. The final ones, keep your emotion in check. To become a consistent profitable trader, you have to stay rational and emotionally detached. This is where you must know when you lose, you shouldn't put more money in order to gain back the money or losses. You have to think like a robot. You must follow the check sheet that we're giving you, the money management list. If you lost, this is the lot size you have to put. If you gain, if you get profit, you have this is the lot size you have to put. This is the list we're giving to the every trader who join under us. This is will minimize the psychology risk of stress for the traders, because every time you are lost or you want to gain money, you know what is the next lot size you have to put. You won't blindly put the lot size. Many novice traders ride emotional roller coaster feeling on the top of the world after win, but down the dumps after the losses. They are so stressed when they losses. They only have a few boosting when get the money from the forex, but they cannot accept the losses. In contrast, most experienced traders stay calm and relaxed even after the series of losses. They don't let the nature up to them and trading effectively to the emotion. Look at the you can see the poker players. Poker players basically trading the money, the chip they have. Then also they was putting the bet calmly. Then also sometimes they have a good edge. They put all in. This is similar to other traders. The forex trading. Forex trading also require the skillful psychology. Then you must know how to manage your emotion. Then other than this, you must stay open-minded. While having discipline is very important for trader, you also have to be wary that you are too stuck in your way. You will end up with imposing your ideas where the market should go instead of reacting what is actually happening. So this is all forex tips I like to give to the forex beginner. You can have your knowledge in order to get ready for the forex trading. Then you know this is all will help you to have a better trader, forex trader, professional forex trader in future. Thank you.